In this video, I'm going to show you how to print from Adobe Fresco. So there's no native button or function to actually print from Adobe Fresco. However, there is a quick workaround which also allows you to print whatever you've created. So go to the top right and click on this share button, and then you want to go and click on publish and export. When you do this, click on export as, and then here you can give your file a name, and as format, click on the drop down and select PDF. When you do that, click on export, and then you can of course download it wherever you want. I'm gonna go to my downloads folder and click on save, and then there we go, it says export complete. And what you can then do is open up the PDF. So I'm going to open it up over here, there we go, and now this is my creation. I can go and click on this print button top right, and then from here you can select your printer that you want to use, and you can then go and select the pages you want to print, the copies, and the color if you want color or black and white. And then here you have more settings as well. If you want to change them, then simply hit the print button and you can print that way, essentially pretty much from Adobe Fresco. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.